Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. मैं हूँ जोजो और
और मैं हूँ श्रुति।
yes, we are back to the recording table after so long.
Woohoo! Yes, it feels like forever, no?
Yes, and you
अब
have
तो
hmm?
4-5 दिन भी चले जाते हैं तो ऐसे लगता है कि ओहो ज़माने बीत गए, कब से रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया है।
I know ज़माने ही बीत गए. I
आदत हो
think
गई।
हमने 8th
हाँ,
जून को लास्ट रिकॉर्ड किया था. मैंने स्टोरी पोस्ट डाली थी that between 8 and this 21st we will not be able to shoot. लेकिन हमने बैंक
यस,
करके रखे हैं, रिकॉर्ड करके रखे हैं. कम
यस।
से कम रोज एक वीडियो आपको मिलेगा. But still people are like, where is this
See how
one?
good
Where
we
is
are.
exactly. I think I missed one
यस,
day. I think I missed one day, but other than that, and
हफ्ते
that's
में 1
okay.
दिन की छुट्टी चलती है,
I
इट्स ओके।
know, I
हाँ।
know. So now, of course, this is the most requested, the most hyped video that dropped while we were on Chutti, and
अच्छा,
it is Fall Off Krishna Call.
यस, we'd been
Uh,
waiting for this for a while.
but it's extended.
यस,
It has. I've been told it has an extra verse. So,
अच्छा।
I
And this
mean,
is a full video, like video that has dropped or like just a song?
so it's a video because he had done a poll.
Yeah. Hmm.
This is all the info I have. He had done a poll on YouTube. He had asked people which song do you guys want a video for. Um, Fall Off was the most voted, so this had to drop. And of course, we know it's a 2 minuter because we've reacted to it, we've heard it, and it's one of the
Yes,
best. It's one of the best tracks. What's
yes.
happened to my voice? And now it's 2 minutes 44 seconds, so there's an extra verse.
कुछ एक्स्ट्रा है।
So,
नाइस, लेट्स डू,
so let's just
लेट्स लिसन।
the hype is real. 1, 2, 3, play.
Yo, do you think I'm about to fall off? बोल रहे कृष्णा की हाइप खत्म हो गई ब्रो। कृष्णा की हाइप तो बस बीफ से आई थी। हाइप बने जब से मेरी हाइप बने, लाइफ में ना मिले मुझे मेरे सगे भाई बने। माइंड करे पर कभी ना ग्राइंड करे, जेनोसाइड लगे जब माइक पे मेरी थोड़ी वाइब बने। किलब आजाद मुझसे बड़े 5-7 उनके मिले यहाँ लाश, ये ना मिले खास बात। मिले यहाँ नाक गिले आज साफ, हर किले वारदात मेरा स्किल शानदार। हाँ गांड फाड़ करूँ मैं तांडव, चल चढ़ूँ मैं चांदव, करूँ मैं कांडव कल। चाहिए भी बनूँ मैं सांडव, तोड़ूँ मैं दानव, बने क्यों जानवर सब लगे क्यों बांधव कर। हर बीट पे किला बना मर्जी से कोल्ड, मेरा फ्लो तो शब्द भी मेरे बर्फीले। चाहिए इन्हें स्मोक तो लो बनूंगा चर्सी में, बातें करे जो प्रवोक करे वो बर्फी है। इनके बारे फिक्र ना है खास, मैं kill 'em with the venom when I hit 'em in the heart. I'm developing the rhythm and I get 'em with the bars. ये तो sentimental rappers इनका जिगर ना है hard. I'm on to the next gentlemen, I'm killing these rappers that wanna test. Murder instrumental फिर करूँ ना ज़्यादा flex, इन्हें कबर में सुला दूँ सी I put 'em all to rest. ये तो भाई करता रहूँगा मैं day or night move. थोड़ा दे दो साइड, भागे मेरे आगे जैसे ये offside. हमें फर्क ही है यूं, देख के मुझे तेरी जलती है क्यों। बात चली फर्जी है तू, दिल मेरा कोल्ड पूछे सर्दी है क्यों। आजकल सारे बने मेरे क्रिटिक, करे बड़ी बातें बस देख के नेवर लिव इट। अगर लिया मैंने साइड देना राइट टू डिफेंड इट, लेबल देखे मैंने बहुत बता ग्रैंड इज इंडिपेंडेंट केम बैक। जब इन्हें लगने लगा दैट आई एम फिनिश, इतने साल की मेहनत करे जज इन मिनट, मेरे वजह से बेहतर करे ये गंदे से लिरिक्स। इनके धंधे हैं गिमिक ये तो बंद है टिमिक। बैक टू बैक ये फैक्ट मेरी लिमिट नहीं करता हूँ ट्रैक पे अटैक विद एबिलिटी। फैक्ट तो ये वैक है मैं रैप का एपिटमी, एक्ट करे मैड बट दे एक्चुअली फील मी। मुझे अक्सर बोलते थे बस कर रहा मैं, डट कर गया नहीं दफ्तर। हर अफसर पे लगता मैं अफसर, ये पेन मिलिटेंट हर अक्षर है लश्कर। They thought I'm about to fall off. Now they got plans, they gotta call off. Game in the game with a 12 gauge pump, that's a gun that's sawed off. They thought I'm about to fall off. Now they got plans, they gotta call off. Said my flow kinda hot, but I ain't tryna talk if she don't take it all off. Hold on, kill it once more. Krishna on the mic and he bringing some war. Why they fucking around and why they getting involved? I was doing this shit when they was swimming in balls. Oh no, hype बने जब से मेरी hype बने, शक्ल से जो कर इनको लगा ये dark night बने। Snake pit तो लगने लगा वाइपर में, जूना पाए मेरा level 6 रैप पर साइफर में। जो भी मैंने सोचा मैंने किया मेरे करियर जितना नहीं जिया तू। इनकी स्टोरी देखूं करूं रिएक्ट क्यों, इनके गाने सुने लगे 6 act 2। Living under my shadow and challenge me no, since 19 been harder than jalapenos. They never with it, never sticking to the G code. Leave 'em with a black eye singing Filipino. Bebo bebo मेरे level पे तो याना है कोई ये तो settled है bro। धक्का दिया तो फिर devil है bro। Now I'm back on my bullshit lane you know. I ain't gonna fall off.
God damn!
Oh my god, I'm gonna fall off. Oh my god, oh my god.
What was that verse? What?
I think just all of
What?
it was phenomenal.
Uh,
It was just
I mean, the first 2 minutes, yes, and we know it. We've loved it.
yes.
It's just one of the hardest tracks from the album. But that last verse, oh my God! Can I find the lyrics? Are they here, pinned here somewhere? They're oh, freaking.
Check.
I'm trying to scroll down and see. No, I don't see it. Okay, let me Google it. Let's see if genius.com has got.
Yes.
Um, oh, it
See?
does. Huh.
his his shoes, his outfit, his look, the whole
Mm,
video, the way he was
mm,
dancing, you know, that whole step on the every, it was very spot on. Like just the whole
mm.
video, the vibe, amazing.
I mean, it was black and white. No, there was no color. I can't remember. Was there? Yeah.
The stage was black for sure. And then
Mm,
I know like he was wearing white sneakers and like white whatever.
mm, mm, mm,
And I
mm.
know it's not called sneakers anymore, so everyone's gonna laugh at what I just said, but like okay, whatever. Huh. So
What? It's not?
yeah, yeah. Like there are like more fancier names for like, you know, the like shoes and everything now, right? There's like a whole slang for it.
Oh, okay. Okay.
हम sneakers ही बुलाएंगे बस और क्या.
Huh.
हाँ.
No, but I thought the video was quite basic. I think
Yeah,
probably
yeah.
lockdown, so they've shot it quickly and just put it out because people were waiting for so long for it.
But it looked
So
really fancy.
it did. It was a well shot
Yeah.
video. It was just, it was a video. It
Correct,
wasn't
correct.
like something is your mic is little bit. So what was I saying? Yeah, so it was kind of like a basic clean nice I actually like the
Video.
lighting and the whole darkness of it because it
Yeah.
went with the vibe of the song really well. But let's quickly go through this extended verse because kya bars hai. Oh my god,
Yes, yes.
not
Let's do.
surprising. Hold on, kill it once more. Krishna on the mic and he brings some war. Why they around? Why they getting involved? Okay, so I think this is like subliminal shots to some people. No, I was doing this
Yes.
shit. I was doing this shit when they were swimming in balls. Mm. Wow, nice.
So that kids wala game. Yeah.
No,
Arey, that kids wala game. Oh, you mean like, oh, I just got it. Sorry. I got it. Yes, I got
okay.
it.
I'll edit it. But
Little
okay.
swimmers. Little
Mhm.
swimmers. Yes.
No, हाइप बने जब से मेरी हाइप बने शक्ल से जोकर इनको लगा ये डार्क नाइट बने and I see Bane here बने ना BANE
Yeah.
स्नेक पिट तो लगने लगा अब वाइपर में I like it. छू ना पाए मेरा level 6 rapper cipher में. Okay, so there's a cipher that's happened that you and I don't know about, which had 6 rappers in it. Okay, जो भी मैंने सोचा मैंने किया मेरे career जितना नहीं जिया तू. Interesting. इतनी इनकी story देखूं करूं react. This was really funny. इनकी story देखूं करूं react क्यों इनके गाने सुने लगे छियाक.
I know. Yeah, that was amazing. That was
That
really
was
good.
so good.
It was like just done so smoothly. Yeah.
That was the most swag you're gonna get in someone spitting. Nicely
Yes,
done.
true.
I love it. That's my
Yeah.
favorite line.
Chiak.
Living under my shadow and challenge me since 19 been hotter than jalapenos. They never with it, never sticking to the G code. Leave him with the black guy singing Filipino. So there's so
That's
much.
my Bebo.
Yeah, but there's so much. There's black eye, Filipino,
Yeah. Yeah.
even jalapenos. I think they say in a couple of their tracks. And then of course the flow, Bebo Bebo mere level pe to yahan na koi ye to settled hai bro, dhaka diya to fir devil hai bro. Now I'm back on my bullshit, letting you know I ain't gonna fall off.
Uh-huh. I
like
love it.
I like
love it.
I like the flow there also because that was one of my favorite songs. Black Eyed Peas, man.
They were amazing, man. And when that, even when Bebo Bebo had come out, I remember just constantly listening to it forever. And Black Eyed Peas, like it was just they were just really good. All of them were like, yeah.
It was one of those
Yeah.
anthemic songs, kind of one of the defining songs of the time, sort of. So thoughts. After
Like I
hearing
said,
this.
I really liked the video.
Mm.
You know, we've usually in the past always spoken about that we're waiting to see Krishna come out like in his like jo wo pehle cheezein karta tha, and like being very muffat upfront and just doing his thing. See, he already has very good flow, and he has this whole the way, you know, the way he does the lyrics of his song, the way he writes them, that's already very intense and very intelligent. So wo to given hai ki wo to hona tha. But along with that, how there's a lot of energy in this song, like, you know, the kind of energy that you listen to and then you want to, you like kind of flow with it and then you want to listen to it again and then you get excited like so I love the energy in this particular track. Like, you know, I feel like there's something different he is doing which is just kind of overlapping into Like I like this track so far from, you know, they were still here and everything that had come. I like this track so far the best energy wise. मुझे
Mhm.
बहुत अच्छा लगा ये वाला.
Yeah,
हाँ.
yeah. Energy wise and bars wise and all of that.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
think this is the big hit of the album. I honestly feel like and because again now we've reacted to Fall Off for the second time, I feel like his writing style and his sort of even delivery and even his flows, all of that is very clean.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I
So
agree.
when you
Yes.
when you listen to Krishna, you kind of get spoiled because
Yeah.
and because yeah, because he was one of the first initial ones we heard, and his writing and his flows and his basic like entire package, the production, the sound, everything's very clean and distinct,
Yeah.
and it's very
Yeah.
difficult to maintain that over a period of time and
Very true.
consistently. So
Yeah.
he's got his own sort of like style, I would say,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
that can really spoil a listener, because if I then listen to other stuff, I'm not saying I won't like it, but there'll be a distinct difference in the
He
vibe.
sets a very high benchmark for
Yeah,
sure. Because then
yeah,
when you listen to him and you're like, hey, he's doing this so comfortably and with like, you know, so easily. There is no like effort going in the way he does it. Then when you hear others, you can see the effort. And the moment that happens, you're like, okay, what's going on? You know?
mm,
So yeah,
mm.
I agree with you. He kind of spoils you as a
He does.
listener.
For my
Yeah.
only adjective to use is so clean. So the entire package of it
उसके
is very clean in this, and the
यू नो
sound.
जैसे रेडियो में कहते हैं ना दिमाग में एडिट होके लिंक निकलता है सो उसके सारे जो वर्सेस हैं एंड द वे ही
Exactly.
यू नो द वे ही स्पिट्स them वो दिमाग में एडिट होके बाहर निकलते हैं सो
Yeah.
दैट्स रियली रियली गुड
Because it's like he doesn't want to waste a single line, and he doesn't want to waste a single word. He wants to pack in the maximum punch in as shortest an amount of time
या
as he can,
and you
and
know
he does it.
and that thing why I really appreciate him doing that is because you know there are two ways a performer can treat their audience. One is a spoon feeder जो सब कुछ आपको समझाते हैं आपकी पेस पे धीरे धीरे जाएंगे you know whatever. I don't like that because
No.
then that's not giving me the scope of catching up and growing as a person, as a
Yeah.
listener.
Yeah.
Right over here he's not waiting for the listener. He's not trying to spoon feed you, and I
Totally
don't know if
not.
this makes any sense to you because they, you know when I
Dude,
listen,
yes, of course.
right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
completely.
because in some other songs like with some other artists I kind of get bored in the middle because I know they're spoon feeding. I
Mm,
don't need spoon feeding. If I don't know something, you do your best, I will catch up because that's
mm.
what as a listener I have to do. And which is
That's
why I loved Fall Off because in this
yeah.
he was just doing his thing. He wasn't stopping for anyone. He wasn't like, you know, he had this whole very free open vibe that मैं कर रहा हूँ जो मुझे करना है. अब तुम्हें सुनना है तुम आके सुनो और अगर नहीं
Mm.
पल्ले पड़ रहा तो catch up. You know, I love that.
That's exactly, and that's I'm glad you brought that up, because that's exactly why I feel like me and Maddie and you, we kind of got pulled into the whole scene because
Yeah.
we heard a lot of his stuff. We heard a lot of Brother we heard a lot of clean sounds, and a
Experienced
lot
people.
of and a lot of wordplay references, metaphors, all of that
Yeah.
in these guys' verses that we felt challenged as listeners.
Yeah.
We felt so challenged. It was like my brain needs to switch on completely when I'm watching and when I'm listening to
Yes.
this, because I don't want to miss a thing. And if I do, then damn, I want to look it up immediately and expand my mind
Correct.
and you know, increase my
Yes.
knowledge. So I mean, I feel like for me personally, that was one of the main reasons I got drawn to Desi hip hop, and it just kind of reinforces that that thing when you listen to an added verse like this, which is just packed. It's such a short this thing, but it's just packed with stuff. So
It's kind of completed the whole song
so
though, right?
nice.
Like from the last time when we heard it to now, it just feels complete now somehow. Or like I don't know.
So,
That was also
okay. So wait, let me just look at the lyrics. You know, he left it off on a very cheeky note without the extra verse. He left it off on a said my flow kind of hot, but I ain't trying to talk if she don't take it all off. And you and I laughed, right, when we heard
Yeah,
that.
I remember.
So I think he ended it well. This is just
But
like
this is
bonus.
yeah, but this is also making it feel more complete. Like I don't know. To me, just like you know, when I heard it right now, although I've heard it before, but I could so completely hear it right now without thinking, हाँ मतलब ये तो सुना हुआ है. Okay, fine. I'm like you know, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. I was like I
No.
totally enjoyed it and totally like right till the end. So I love that.
But in my mind, it's kind of distinct there is an extra verse that was not there, and the extra verse is doing the job of calling some people out, some particular people out, right? So in my mind, it's like, okay, it's an extra sort of thing added.
Yeah.
But I do someday want to ask him when he thought of writing this extra verse, because
It is super
ओरिजिनल में नहीं
funny.
डाला, एल्बम में नहीं डाला,
हाँ.
लेकिन वीडियो में रिलीज कर दिया. तो एल्बम रिलीज और इस वीडियो के रिलीज के बीच में क्या हुआ, कब डिसाइड किया, किससे क्या कहा. एनीवे, so funny, interesting. Okay, chalo, I think बहुत लंबा हो गया हमारा discussion. Let's head out and listen to this song.
And I really like that we were twinning today, even with the specs.
I
Because you know, I've
know.
been because I've been working so much, but I've been so much screen time has been happening, like a lot of other edits and everything has been going on. आंखें दुख रही थी, I was like, आज मैं specs पहन ही लेती हूँ. So
Yes,
that's why.
we are the Chashmish gang.
Chashmishes.
On that note, take care, guys. Live long and prosper, and check out Miss Bola's channel. It is linked below. Drop me a DM for requests, and we'll see you soon.